Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, to go ahead and turn this feature off. So once you're on YouTube, you want to come up to the top right-hand corner, click onto your profile icon, and on this menu that comes up, just come and click onto YouTube Studio. Once you're on your studio, what you want to do is come across to this menu on the left-hand side and come down and click on Settings in the bottom left-hand corner. Once your settings window has loaded through, come over to this menu on the left-hand side and click onto Upload Defaults. Then click onto Advanced Settings. And on the Advanced Settings section, what you want to do is scroll down a bit, and you're going to see an option for automatic dubbing. It's going to look like this. All you need to do is untick the box which says Allow Automatic Dubbing. And that's going to go ahead and turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. And that's it. So that is how you can turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. So that's all for this video. Thanks.